Welcome to the tutorial guide. We have 3 exciting activities ready for you to explore. Daily Spin. Spin every day and test your luck to win up to Rarm 1000 in cash vouchers. The spin rewards will refresh every month, ensuring you have a chance to explore different vouchers. Weekly Voucher. Grab our seasonal product vouchers with excitement. Vouchers refresh weekly to ensure you can enjoy more and more discounts. Sales Mission. Hit sales targets for exclusive rebate. We understand your hard work during 2023 last quarter, and it's time for your dedication to pay off. Seasonal Product. We have compiled a list of specifications for our popular seasonal products to assist you in your marketing promotion. So, remember to log in your Excard account every day and complete 3 tasks. 1. Daily Spin. 2. Claim your weekly voucher. 3. Track your sales missions. Up to Rarm 30K rewards are waiting for you. Jump in and seize the fun.